Sweet potato pudding, or pone as some people call it, is a classic Jamaican dessert. Everybody loves it, but not everyone can make it. And that's why you have me. Let me show you how. To start, I have 3 pounds of sweet potato in water because the color changes very quickly and the water prevents that. And get the yellow ones, not the white one. The yellow one has more flavor and it bakes way better. You can check by just breaking off a piece of it before you buy it. I'm using a Ninja to blend this, that's why I'm dicing them. I started grating it and quickly gave up. I wanted to keep my fingertips. Note, my blender was not powerful enough for this, or maybe just not good. But if you have a food processor, so much better for you, use it. Whatever method you choose, you should have something looking like this. And you want to start preheating your oven now because this comes together real fast, so 350 degrees. If you're new, welcome. Be sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So brown sugar and all-purpose flour goes into the bowl, whisk to combine. Add your cinnamon and salt and whisk. Freshly grated nutmeg is always better in my book. It packs a bigger flavor, and sometimes there are some big chunks after grating, hence the sifting. This is 3.5 cups of coconut milk. You can juice your coconut yourself, or you can use the can. This is 2 cans of Grace. I find it way richer than the others. I'll reserve 3/4 cups of milk to make the soft top on the pudding. If you're not going to do that, you can just use all the milk now. Add your sweet potato and whisk it to break up. Don't overmix it, just mix enough so there aren't any big clumps of sweet potato. Add your vanilla and then pour it in your baking pan. I'm using a springform pan because when I use a regular pan, I end up messing up the top of the pudding when I remove it. So into your preheated oven for 1.5 hours. I'm adding vanilla and brown sugar to my remaining milk, then I'm going to pour it on top of the pudding. After an hour and a half, this is what the pudding looks like. The outer edges are set and the middle is still very wet. Pour your remaining milk on top and place it back into the oven. It should take roughly another 45 minutes for the coconut milk to reduce on the top and for the pudding to fully cook. Remove it and allow it to cool completely in the pan. Run your knife around the edges to release it, then remove it. I absolutely love those caramelized bits on the top, so that's what I'm gonna go for. Cut a big chunky slice like this and enjoy. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. And until next time, thanks for watching.